Hello, it's me. Welcome to my channel, where we tell you all the latest news about the richest people in the world. And today, we are going to talk about Kylian lifestyle, net worth, and his beautiful cars collection. So stay with us till the end of this video to find out more. In fact, when he was just 11 years old, he joined the prestigious Clairefontaine Academy, which is known for producing some of the best players in French football history. After impressing everyone at the academy, he was promoted to the first team. He is one of the fastest players in the world, and his ability to get behind defenses is a constant threat. In addition to his pace, Mbappé is also an incredibly talented dribbler. He is able to take on multiple defenders and create scoring opportunities out of nothing. His close control and balance are exceptional, and he is able to weave through defenders with ease. Now, if you're anything like us, then you're definitely curious to see what kind of cars drives this football superstar. So without further ado, let's take a look at his amazing collection. It features a 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces 602 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and has a top track speed of 205 miles per hour. Features a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 700 horsepower and 504 pound-feet of torque. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and has a top track speed of 217 miles per hour. The Aventador also boasts a 7-speed transmission, a push-button start, and a carbon fiber monocoque. The interior of the Aventador is just as impressive as its exterior, with Alcantara and leather upholstery, a premium sound system, and a touchscreen infotainment system. This car is perfect for Mbappé, who wants to experience the ultimate in automotive performance and luxury. The R8 also boasts an advanced Quattro all-wheel drive system, magnetic ride adaptive damping, and Audi's virtual cockpit. From the luxurious and powerful Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S to the sleek and stylish Lamborghini Aventador, Mbappé certainly has a taste for speed and sophistication. What do you think of his car collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of our latest updates. See you in the next video. The interior of the R8 is just as impressive as its exterior, with fine Napa leather upholstery, heated sport seats, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. This car is perfect for Mbappé, who loves to push the limits on the racetrack and enjoy a luxurious driving experience. Another area where Mbappé excels is in the final third. It features a 6.3-liter V12 engine that produces 651 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds and has a top track speed of 199 miles per hour. The GTC Ferluso also boasts a rear-wheel steering system, a dual-clutch transmission, and a carbon fiber reinforced chassis. The interior of the GTC Ferluso is just as impressive as its exterior, with hand-stitched leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a premium sound system. This car is perfect for Mbappé, who needs a grand tour that can accommodate his family while still offering Ferrari's signature performance and handling. With a starting price tag of $156,000, this is definitely not your average SUV. The Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S is a powerful and luxurious vehicle that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. It features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 603 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. Talk about some serious power. The car also boasts an AMG SpeedShift TCT9G transmission, an independent rear-wheel suspension, and an electronically controlled rear axle lock. The interior of the GLE 63S is just as impressive as its exterior, with handcrafted AMG Napa leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and a Bang & Olufsen BO surround sound system. This car is perfect for Mbappé, who needs a vehicle that can transport him and his family in style and comfort, while still providing exhilarating performance. He is an incredibly clinical finisher, and his positioning is excellent. He has the ability to read the game like a chess master, and he always seems to be in the right place at the right time. His shot accuracy is also remarkable, and he is a constant danger from distance. And on September 2nd, 2015, he made his professional debut against Monaco in Ligue 1. He's also a hard worker who tracks back and helps out defensively. In fact, he is the 4th highest paid footballer in the world, with an annual salary of $43 million. His current market value is also the 4th highest in the world at 160 million euros. These figures are expected to rise even further in the coming years as Mbappé continues to impress on the pitch. His work rate is infectious, and he is always willing to put in the extra effort. He is also very intelligent, and he knows when to make a run or when to drop deep to get involved in the play. All of these skills and attributes have made Mbappé one of the most feared and respected players in the world. He is a match winner who can single-handedly change the course of a game, and he is sure to continue terrorizing defenses for years to come. That same season, he helped Monaco win the league title and also reached the semi-finals of the Champions League. This caught the attention of many top European clubs, and in 2017 he transferred to PSG. For a fee that could rise to over 180 million euros, he has endorsement deals with companies such as Nike, Dior, Hublot, Visa, and EA Sports. In addition, he also has his own line of clothing and footwear. If you ask us, his net worth will exceed $200 million in a couple of years, making him the second most expensive player in the world at the time. And don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of our latest updates. And in the following seasons, he continued to impress, winning 3 more league titles and 2 Coupe de France trophies. On the international stage, Mbappé has also been equally impressive. He made his debut for the French national team in 2017 and was part of the squad that won the FIFA World Cup in 2018. He was also named the best young player of the tournament. At just 23 years old, Mbappé has already won almost everything there is to win in football, and he is widely regarded as one of the best players in the world. Kylian is one of the best young players in the world right now. He has achieved a lot at such a young age and is already considered by many to be the face of world football. His talent has taken him to the top of the football pyramid, where he currently plays for one of the biggest clubs in the world, Paris Saint-Germain. He also plays for the French national team and was part of the squad that won the FIFA World Cup in 2018. The young man is only getting better with each passing day, and in the coming years, he will undoubtedly become one of the best players to have ever played the game. But how much is this rising star actually worth? Let's take a look at Kylian Mbappe's net worth, lifestyle, and cars. Born in 1998 in Paris, France, Kylian Mbappé had a passion for football from an early age. In his first season at PSG, Mbappé again won the league title and also reached the final of the Champions League. One of the things that set Mbappé apart from other players is his incredible pace. But Mbappe's skills aren't limited to just his attacking abilities. What is Kylian Mbappe's net worth? According to Forbes, he has an estimated net worth of $120 million, which includes his transfer value and endorsements. As a brand ambassador for many famous companies, Mbappé has managed to build a large fortune. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part of the video. Kylian car collection. No. 1. 2021 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S. Number 2. 2022 Audi R8 with a starting price of $142,000. The 2022 Audi R8 is a mid-engine rear-wheel drive sports car that offers a thrilling driving experience. Number 3. Ferrari GTC Lusso with a starting price of $270,000. The Ferrari GTC Lusso is a grand tourer that offers a blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Number 4. Lamborghini Aventador. With a starting price of $370,000, the Lamborghini Aventador is a rear-wheel drive sports car that offers mind-blowing performance and an unforgettable driving experience. So there you have it, folks. The incredible car collection of football superstar Kylian Mbappé.